Hello and welcome everyone to another update video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum and QNT. My name is Daniel and I will show you all of my price targets and expectation for those assets. I will tell you what I'm planning to do with my trading management and where I'm going to enter my trades. If you don't want to miss out on that in the future, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this channel and enjoy this video. And we're starting here straight on Ethereum 1 hour time frame, and as expected in yesterday's video already, we moved lower in what in my opinion is a fifth wave here of this first wave. And yeah, my expectation would be right now to move up from here correctively. Okay, maybe we're making another lower low here on a minute time frame. That doesn't even matter. In my opinion, wherever we will bounce from here, I think we have the chance to bounce up in a three-wave move to the $2,000 level, or in this region, in this trend reversal area between, let's say, 1970 and 2030. And that is the region where I will open up a short position for the next move here towards the downside. Because what I think has happened here is that we already saw a first five-wave move towards the downside, which is for me personally, as an Elliott wave analyst, the first really good indication that we should now follow here the downside, or the trend has shifted here on this time frame towards the downside. And this isn't something which was unexpected. I already told you that back then here, already 2-3 weeks ago, which was sadly a little bit too early. But now finally we got this five-wave impulse towards the downside. So yeah, this is absolutely now the time to follow this for me personally. However, it's no financial advice. But if we are like, there are two different bearish scenarios here. First of all, this can be a wave 1. So there will be a wave 2, and I will short down the wave 3, 4, and 5 practically. The other scenario is, and that we cannot know yet, but it makes not really a difference here for the final outcome, that this is only an A wave. So we should come up in a B wave, which is practically behaving exactly the same like the second wave. And then we will come down in a C wave, which is most likely not as long as the third wave. But I will, of course, keep you updated about if this is developing into a third wave or a C wave. Both of the options are highly likely. In my opinion, both of the options can happen. But what I'm planning to do is to take a short entry in my trading area. So that is the option when I will short it. It doesn't matter if we are coming down in the third wave or in a C wave. I think that we should move up from here to the $2,000 level and then move quite lower in whatever, a third or a C wave. Same scenario I have on the chart for Bitcoin, but I think Ethereum is one wave ahead, because what we can see here for Bitcoin isn't a clear five-wave structure towards the downside yet. So practically what I can see is that we perfectly reached my wave 3 price target, which I told you in yesterday's video already. And so right now I would expect this to be a wave 3, which is done already. So we should move up from here in a fourth wave, come down in a fifth wave, which then finishes here rather the A wave or the wave 1. So it doesn't really matter which of those two scenarios is happening, if it is an A wave or a wave 1. We should move up then in a wave 2 or a wave B, which should hit approximately the $30,000 level. And from there, I will then open up my short position for Bitcoin towards the downside, because same scenario there. We can move down from there in a C wave to approximately, let's say, $22,000, or in a wave 3, 4, and 5 between 17,500 and 19,500. So those are, in my opinion, the two options I have on the chart here. In both of those scenarios, we are, like, let's say, in the absolutely near future a little bit bullish here for this wave 2 or wave B towards the upside here. But that is the moment when I'm planning to open my short position for what is, in my opinion, a wave 3 or a wave C, which is coming down later. So right now I'm still on the sidelines preparing here for my next short entry. And of course, I'm keeping you updated about every change here which is happening on the charts on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this video. And if we're switching now over to QNT, you can see that we are following my wave count absolutely perfect. As you know, already at the beginning of January, I told you, in my opinion, that this should be an ABC correction. We should come down here in a region between $80 and $95. From there, I will open long positions and buy QNT. And I already told you that back then, at the beginning of January, and I placed here two target areas for you on the chart. The first of one was up there, which we hit perfectly, got rejected. And we are now on the way to my second target area since months already. And I think we're going to hit it, of course. Still, there is no reason to change my expectations. If we are zooming in a little further, you can see that we already got a 1-2. We are now, in my opinion, in a third wave of the fifth wave of the C wave. So there should be a fourth and a fifth wave afterwards. Exactly in the target area between 80 and 95 US dollars. And from there, I'm expecting a bounce here towards the upside to a minimum target of 380 US dollars here on the 4-hour time frame. So of course, it's not moving up in one straight line, but I expect something here like this, let's say, but 1.618 times stronger, to be honest, because that's the definition of a third wave. So yeah, if we're coming down there, it gets really, really interesting for me. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed this information, don't forget to leave a subscription down below this video. Activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. And I thank you very much for your support. I thank you very much for your nice comments here down below this video. And if you are searching for a nice exchange to jump in your trades, I can recommend you the Exchange BITGET. You find them with the link down below the video, and there you will also get a bonus up to 8,000 US dollars with the link down below the video, which you can use for free trading. Thank you very much, guys, for sticking here with me until the very end, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.